Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is reacting to news of the latest dog attack of a young boy in Mannings Hill, St. Andrew on Christmas Eve. The incident took place weeks after 5-year-old Michael Allen was mauled by dogs in St. Dacre, St. Anne. Sasha Hamilton reports.
This 5-year-old boy is now in hospital, nursing dog bites to his face, back, arms and legs after a German Shepherd owned by a relative broke its chain and attacked him. The boy's grandfather, who tried to help, was also bitten. While speaking with our news centre, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck expressed disappointment in the frequency of dog attacks.
I am extremely disappointed that in spite of the wide publicity given to the dangers and actual attacks by dogs and children and adults, that dog owners are still being negligent and insufficiently controlling their dog. I sympathize with the young 5-year-old child and the family. I hope he will recover fully.
Earlier this month, the Dogs Liability for Attacks Act was passed by both Houses of Parliament. The bill allows for criminal liability to persons whose dogs attack or injure individuals because of negligence. The Justice Minister is again urging dog owners to be more careful in securing their animals.
Before the Dogs Liability for Attacks come into operation, please secure your dogs in their private space. It is absolutely important because although we love dogs, they pose a clear and present danger to strangers who may well be innocent passersby, and also the children who really are innocent and are not aware of the dangers that these dogs pose.
Sasha Hamilton, TVJ News.